hurdles are piling up in the state's ongoing lawsuit with Florida teachers over the decision to reopen the schools.
Yeah, the I-Team obtaining new state contracts that reveal in just the past few months the cost to taxpayers has nearly tripled. Investigative reporter Katie Legrone tonight breaking the story.
The state's continuing legal battle with its teachers is costing Florida taxpayers nearly $1 million so far, state records show. Since June, the state hired an Atlanta law firm and West Palm Beach firm to represent the governor and Florida's Department of Education against claims its mandate to reopen brick and mortar schools during the pandemic or risk lose funding is unconstitutional. While the state's original contracts with the firms called for legal fees not to exceed a total of $300,000, within months, both were amended to reflect a longer court fight and higher costs. Now the state is on the hook for legal fees totaling up to $865,000, according to the contracts.
Don't governments have the right to spend money to defend themselves?
Well, of course they do.
Bill Newton leads Florida's Consumer Action Network.
What a waste of money. That's a huge amount of money that we could put toward making sure that the kids are safe and improving their education.
I have to ask, what do your bills look like?
Our bills are pretty high, too. Not that high. Not anywhere close to that high.
Andrew Spar leads the state's teachers union, which claimed victory last month when a judge ruled in their favor.
Yes, this is a very expensive lawsuit on both sides. And again, unnecessary if the governor and commissioner decided to put your kids, my kids, and the viewers' kids' health interests first.
The state now appealing the order.
I think we'll win the appeal, obviously, otherwise we wouldn't be doing it.
But we're paying for it. Records show taxpayers are paying the state's private attorneys $450 to $495 per hour, nearly $200 more than the median hourly rate in Florida, according to a 2018 state bar survey. In an email, a spokesperson with Florida's Department of Education stated the department negotiated a blended attorney rate of $450 an hour, which represents a substantial discount for the senior level partners who are assisting the department with the defense of this litigation. She added, it's entirely up to the FEA to end their frivolous lawsuit if they would like to save taxpayers from these expenses.
We should be talking about solutions. We shouldn't be having to fight this out in the courts.
Not surprisingly, the teachers union feels the same.
If they had done that from the beginning, we wouldn't even be in this position, and they wouldn't have to spend this money.
The case remains in appellate court with a new ruling expected any day. I'm I-Team investigator Katie Legrone taking action for you.